Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Isabel Roy, and today I would love to talk about clove oil. Where did I put my clove oil? Disappeared on me. Clove bud. Clove is typically a spice that we hear about in lots of recipes, in baking, and maybe you remember your grandmother telling you about using a clove bud in her mouth for a sore tooth. So clove goes a long way. It's an old natural remedy. It's very stimulating. It's a very warm, spicy oil, and it actually numbs the skin. So it's great for pain, especially when it comes to oral health. It's also very energizing spice. It's used to cleanse and soothe the mouth, the teeth, the gums, and to promote fresh breath. It really is a great oil. You can use it three ways. You can use it aromatically, you can use it topically, you can also use it internally. It helps to protect you against different infections. It will naturally repel insects. And also, when you take it internally, it has a very, very high antioxidant level. So on the ORAC scale, which is how we measure antioxidants, we tend to know that pomegranates and blueberries and carrots have really high antioxidants. But guys, clove as a spice and as the oil, which is like just like the spices, we take the oil out of the spice, is higher than all of those guys. And it's very high in antioxidants, which really helps support all the cells in your body. It helps your cells from being damaged from the radical, the oxidative stress that we can have that can warp our cells, basically. So it helps support our heart. It helps support our immune system. It's a great, great oil. Now, there's a lot of research out there. If you're, I always love sharing the research. And if that's something that you love and you would like a source where you can learn about the oils and get some recipes and tips on how to use them, or you want to look up a health issue and see how an essential oil can help you, I can send you a really cool app that you can download for free. It's typically $8.99 US, but I can give you a link to get it for free. And it also has all the resources about the research for each oil. So just send me a message and I'll send that to you. Just about the research with essential oil of the clove, we've got really cool articles on how it helps with cold sores or like mouth sores. It's great for digestive issues because they've seen how people, for example, who have stomach ulcers that are caused by H. pylori, a specific bacteria, this clove oil is very, very powerful at taking care of that. So it's a really, really powerful oil. It's also really yummy in recipes. So if you're cooking, baking, and your recipe calls for clove, you can substitute if you don't have any clove spice or ground clove, you can use simply half a drop of this and it does the trick. It's really, really cool. Now, the emotional side of clove is really, really cool. I'm just pulling up all my information because there's so much about this amazing oil. I don't want to miss it. It's the oil of boundaries. And so clove will support you in letting go of victim mentality, but it also helps you stand up for yourself and to be proactive, to feel capable of making your own choices. It's a great oil to help you to let go of patterns. If you are codependent, you can really kind of reconnect with your own choices and decisions and your independence, basically. It really is a great oil to help you with any patterns of abuse by helping you kind of restore the sense of self and helping regain your strength to stand up, to know what your needs are, and to set those boundaries, those healthy boundaries. So it's a great, great oil, emotionally speaking, to help you with those things. If you're feeling dominated, if you're feeling defeated, or even rejected, intimidated, controlled, codependent, this is a great oil to help you feel more empowered, to have you feel like you're protected, that you have that courage, and that you're capable of standing on your own and making good decisions. So it's a really great oil. You can diffuse this. There's some really great recipes out there. And if you haven't joined our online community, I will put the link out in the comments about our Delicious Hippies network, where we post information every single day on lots of things, on the oils. It could be recipes, it can be tips, it could be promotions that we have. It's all about essential oils and how to use them. And I typically post something every day, and it's bilingual. And so if you are French speaking, on est aussi en français, donc on va avoir des super vidéos, on a des instructions, des conseils, des recettes pour tout le monde en français et en anglais à presque tous les jours. Donc, ça, c'est notre communauté Delicious Hippies sur notre réseau. Je mets le lien dans les commentaires. So that's it for Clove Bud. I hope you enjoyed it. We will be back again, and look out for our other videos. Make sure that you like and subscribe. That helps other people find our videos. And we look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a great day, guys. Ciao.